If you need to track 1099 recipients, the way you do it in Big Easy Accounting is you would set up a subcategory for any subcontractor. This would allow you to keep track of all the payments to that subcontractor for the entire year. The way you do that is through Manage Accounts, Add and Delete Categories. You'll get this screen and you'll want to add. You can type in the name here, select that it's a subcategory of contract labor and that it is an expense, and hit Submit. Now you can see John Brown is one of your subcontractors, and it's listed under Contract Labor subcategory. Now we'll head over to the main menu and you can see the report for category and subcategories. And you can see all the different payments that were made to John Brown or Muriel Smith, and there's your total that you would put on your 1099.